The guys working on my mast are here today. They're taking a lunch break, so I'm gonna go peek and see what they did because I don't want to get in their way when they're here. Time is money, and I love to talk. I don't want to cost myself any more money than I have to. I'm gonna show you what the Reboot has that's new. Right there, there's my new Ray Marine. That is all of my nav and satellite stuff. That's gonna go in. Let's go see what else there is. And look, my neighbors are working on his boat too. It's good. They're getting the Genoa down. Makes my heart happy. Let's see. I don't want to mess with anything. I don't want to get in the way. So while they're at lunch, I thought I could get a quick view of my new Ray Marine dish. And I think they're saving the stuff at the top at the end of the day. But so that big dish in the front is going to be powering the new thing that will go in there, and all of these. It basically helps us to be better sailors. It gives us more information. Ooh, I'm going to turn off, since they have the boat open, I'm just going to turn off the dehumidifier because I cannot dehumidify all of Southwest Florida. Yep. Oh, yeah, and you see in there, got some really interesting wires coming out. I have a project for that wall, but I'm saving it for when everything is done as a sort of like emotional recommissioning of the boat. It's going to be really cool, and I'm looking forward to show it to you. But yep, that's what I've got. That's where we're at right now.